Stop by and take a look at the 2024 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.